Wages refer to the payment or compensation that someone receives for their work, typically paid on an hourly, daily, or weekly basis. It's the money given in exchange for services rendered or labor performed. Simple meaning: wages equals payment for work or services, usually given regularly. Common uses: wages noun, general, money earned by someone for the work they do, often on an hourly or weekly basis. Example: she receives her wages every Friday. Wages noun, plural, the earnings from work, especially manual labor or low-wage jobs. Example: the workers' wages were increased after the contract was renegotiated. Wages noun, figurative, referring to the result or consequence of an action or decision. Example: the wages of sin are often depicted as suffering or loss. Examples in daily use: his wages were enough to cover his basic living expenses. She got a raise in her wages after 6 months of hard work. The company paid fair wages to all of its employees. Wages in this field are typically lower than in others, but it's a good starting point. The workers protested to demand higher wages and better working conditions. Real-life explanation: wages are the money paid to workers in exchange for their labor. They are often calculated based on time worked, such as hourly or weekly pay. The term is commonly used for manual or lower-skilled work, but it can apply to all types of paid work.